Saying goodbye in style. Master the art of peace out. Hello learners, and welcome to another exciting episode in our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating segment of informal farewells, specifically focusing on the term, peace out. It's a slang term, often used in a relaxed or casual setting. Let's explore this together. The term, peace out, originated from the hip-hop culture in the United States during the 1980s. It's an informal way of saying goodbye that gives off a laid-back vibe. Peace out is often used among friends or peers and is popular in informal spoken English, especially among the youth. To properly use peace out, you generally say it at the end of a conversation as a farewell. It's as simple as replacing your usual goodbye with peace out. For instance, instead of saying goodbye, see you tomorrow, you could say peace out, see you tomorrow. Remember, it's meant for casual settings, so you wouldn't want to use it in a formal meeting or with someone you've just met. Knowing when to use peace out is all about understanding the context. It's best used in relaxed, informal settings among friends or acquaintances. For example, after hanging out with friends, as you're leaving, you can say, "All right guys, peace out." It's also commonly used in online chats and social media, especially in comments. For instance, at the end of a live stream, the host might say, "Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Peace out." Peace out is part of a larger category of informal and regional farewells. Slang terms and phrases can greatly vary depending on the culture, region, and even the age group. They add color and personality to the language and can make your English sound more natural and conversational when used appropriately. And that's it, folks. Now you've got a cool new way to say goodbye in English. Remember, using terms like peace out can add a dash of flavor to your English conversations, making them more dynamic and engaging. But always be mindful of the setting. Keep it casual and fun. Thank you for joining us in today's video, and as we've learned today, instead of a plain old goodbye, let's end with a bit more style. Peace out, learners. See you in the next video.